Hello dear friends. Today in this video I am going to show you how to add follow button on your Facebook profile. So let's get started. First of all, open your Facebook app. Click on here and then click on your Facebook profile icon. Then click on three dot icon and click on view as. See here, this is add friend. Now I am change this and add this follow button. So follow my next process. Go back and, and again back and then click on top right corner Facebook profile icon. Then click on gear icon. Scroll down and see here followers and public content. Click here and then click who can follow me. Select public, then save, and then next option select public and then save, then third option select public, save. Carefully complete this work and then again save, go back and click on here how people find and contact you. Click on first option select friends of friends and then save, go back and again go back. Now click on your Facebook profile icon and click on three dot, then click on view as. Hello friends, now I am completely add follow button on my Facebook profile. You can so easily add your Facebook profile, add follow button. Thanks for your watching this video. Now if you have any questions, so please write down the comment section. I will solve your problem. Thank you.